Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use video AI dubbing option on the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get this started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the Vidnoz AI website, and after going there, what we have to do, we have to create our account, and after account creation, simply we need to go to the option which is called AI tools option. So as you can see, here's the AI tools option. Now we have to click on this option. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, now it will be opened in a new way. Now as you can see, this is used for AI dubbing for free. So what we have to do, if you want to do a dubbing, what you need to do, simply you have to upload the video here. As you can see, size is mentioned here. You can also share the link of the video here. As you can see, you have to paste the link here, and after that what you have to do, as you can see, as the original language, you have to choose the original language of that, and then you need to choose the output language. For example, I'm going to choose a Spanish one, and after that what we have to do, simply we have to click on the translate now, and after clicking on the translate now, your dubbing and the translation process will be started. So in this way you can do the dubbing. In this way you can perform the dubbings. You can do the dubbings in 140 plus 140 plus languages. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do the dubbing. So see you guys in the next video.